Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to set up V2BOX VPN on Android or iPhone. So the first step you have to take is to install your V2BOX VPN from your Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. From this section, next thing you have to do is to click on the open option here. Click on the connect to connect it. Having done that, you click on the plus icon here, click on the add menu configure. You can select any of this menu configure to connect it to. Having done that, you can also become a premium user which have more gain. Just subscribe to any of this and you can become a monthly premium user or a yearly premium user. You can also take pictures from this section or record videos from this section. Okay, you can also click on these three lines here to confirm your configure. Just click on the confirm option here to confirm your configure. So guys, that is it on how to set up V2BOX VPN. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.